Hey there, welcome back to Cyril Jeet Software Reviews. How would you like to start a side business completely managed by AI that would be churning out a constant profit for you? And all you would need to do is spend a few minutes every month. Yes, that's all it takes. This is the promise made by this all new software called AIFlipDomains. It helps you find perfect domains that you can hoard and eventually flip for a smart profit. And the AI manages it all. It finds the domains for you and it even lists the domains for you on major domain sales networks. It creates a sales page and it even negotiates for you. Yes, that's all done by AIFlipDomains. So let's get in and take a look at how it works. And this is how the software looks when I log into it. And flipping a domain is actually not something that is new. People have been doing it for decades. Many people have that as a side gig. They buy domains to invest and they keep them listed sometimes for months, sometimes for even years. But eventually they are able to cash out if they make smart choices. Now, I know some people who do it full time. They're always looking for great domains. They are trying to find domains that got expired and they get them before they are renewed or taken by another person. They look for interesting domains all the time. They look for brand names. They look for new emerging products and build domains around those names. And it's all pretty smart strategy, and if you do it right, it can be very well paying. Well, this software wants to do it all for you, and the AI actually tries to do that, and we'll see how good it can do this. So first you get started by either creating a new campaign. I actually created a campaign for testing. It's called My Horde, but let's create a new campaign and see how that works. So click on create campaign and let's call it My Best Domains. Now it has kind of a hand-holding mode for people who are new. So if you haven't done this before, the AI can help you with that. So it will actually look for investment goals like, are you starting out small, just looking for a first flip, or you're going to make a side income, or you want to create a long-term portfolio of high-value domains. So it depends on you what you want to do. So I'm going to click on side income. It's always good to have some money on the side. And then you can decide how soon you would like to flip a domain. Is it going to be something that can happen within days or weeks? Actually, it's quite rare, I would say, to find a domain that flips within days or weeks. So typically, realistically, you would be talking about a few months to even a year or even long term. And you should be open to all of that. So just don't expect instant results. Sadly, that they are not really there in the world. So click on next, selecting what you expect, and then you can decide what you're ready to spend, what your budget is. Let's say you want to spend only $100 per month odd. So I'm just gonna put 108, that's fine. Then max spend per domain, maybe $25, that's perfect. Now you can also find domains that cost $1 less. Typically they won't be any good domains because no top level domains, no top level TLDs, they're called TLDs, top level domains, are that cheap. And if they are, then they're usually garbage. So next, how risky do you want this strategy to be? Do you want to pick out less domains but be safer? That means the AI will try to spot higher value domains for you. If you want to do balance, then you can find opportunities that could take longer, but maybe there is a bigger payout at the end of it. I don't know what the balance algo is. Or you can be aggressive and try to grab domain names that can have a higher reward but may not be able to sell instantly. I guess that's what it means. So I'm going to go for balance and then of course click on next again. And here are the extensions. So extensions or TLDs, they're the same thing. So the common TLDs are .com, .ai, .io. Now I would be very happy if there were other TLDs too. There are so many new TLDs that are available in the world. And if you had those like .mail, .me, and there's so many amazing TLDs. So it would be great if we had them there. But there is a way to add custom extension, which is great. For example, shop, which is suggested. It's a great extension for e-com store. So you can find .shop, .shop domains, and if they are matching your needs, you should be able to book them. Next, you can choose the niche that you want to work with: SaaS, finance, health, crypto, e-commerce, local, gaming, education, real estate, or you can add your own custom niche, let's say relationship, and click add, and you would be able to get domains in that niche. So it's pretty customizable that way. I think I appreciate this. You can find domains with your custom extension, custom TLD, and of course with your custom tag too. Next, do you want domains that are expected to be flipped faster? You can turn this on. If not, then you might get domains that will have a lower resale probability fast enough. I will keep it fast flip, why not? So click on generate my first opportunities, and there we have it. The sidebar gives you filtering by extension, .com, .ai, .io, .co, .dev, .app, and it lets you select the risk profile like all, avoid, and buy. So if you select buy, you will get only the domain names that are buy rated that you can buy immediately and hope to flip faster. So this is taking some time because it is probably pulling data from a public public interface, and then it is using the AI algo to actually judge whether the domain name is good or not. So look at this: Shopify.io, BeyondRel.io, FundingRel.io, VentureRel.io, HereandI.com, ReliPulse.com, BeyondRel. So it picked some of the information that I put in. So the relationship REL, it kind of, I think it picked from there, and it was able to find domain names that were recently expired or recently available, which match that particular system, which match that particular tab. RelI Orbit, RelI Flow, RelI Time, RelI Bond, ARL Pro, ARL Now, Data RelI. So you can search this, for example, let's say shop. I didn't find any. Pulse. Okay, there was one called Pulse. That's why I remembered it. Beyond Rel, for example, this looks interesting for some reason to me. So this is via Namecheap. So basically, the domains that you register, they're going to be registered using the Namecheap AI, Namecheap API. So you should be able to find them inside Namecheap too, if they're registered in your name. RelI Flow, RelI Time, RelI Bond. So lots of domains are available. You can see, if you keep scrolling, there are actually more and more. So total 4 pages of them, 34 total domains it suggested. And if you refresh it, it will try to get some more names. So this is how it works. It suggests domains for you. You can bookmark the ones that you like. And if you want to buy any, you can buy them right away. It uses the Namecheap API to get you the domains on Namecheap. And then, of course, it automatically lists the domain. And I think this step is important. The AI, the software will automatically list the domain on platforms like Intro NIC, on GoDaddy, and other prominent sellers like Sedo and all. So people who want to buy domains, they actually go to these websites to find domains that are already registered, and they want to maybe grab them off the market from somebody who's got them. So this is where you can this is something that's done automatically. So when you click on portfolio, you will actually see the domains that you already have. I have not got any domain, but I'm going to add something by custom. So if you got a domain off the platform, you can actually add it here, like myimages.com, for example. And if you want to verify, it will kind of pull the domain details and try to get the data from it. So it's added to cPanel and pointed it to the server. It says select campaign. So my best domains, registrar, Namecheap, select status, parking. So purchase price, you can put in the purchase price for your own reference, like $78, estimate reseller, let's say $10,000. I would expect something like that for this kind of domain. Purchase date. So this is for accounting, so that you know exactly how much money you could make. Next renewal date. So this will help you renew the domain on time, because what will happen is AIFlipDomains will warn you if the domain is set for expiry, so that you can renew it on time and avoid being one of the guys who forgot to renew the domains that you have. That has happened to me. So then in offers, you can see the offers that people send you. So basically the domains are listed in all the other places. They're using the API. So when somebody makes an offer, this platform will automatically pull that offer and show you. It will also warn you through email that, hey, there is an offer on your domain. And on this page, you can see the offer. If you want to accept it, you can, or you can negotiate. You can make a counter offer. Actually, the AI does it for you. So the negotiation part is handled by AI. You don't need to worry about it. And eventually, when you reach the best price, you can accept the offer and make that sale. So basically, a lot of the process is hived off for you. You need to come in a few months, once a few months, or maybe once a month, book your domains, then let them be parked, and the AI will kind of negotiate. When it's time to sell, you can see the offer, and if you like it, you can flip it. As easy as that. In integrations, you can connect your SMTP to send emails. Yep, that's the negotiation part. So you need to connect your SMTP to be able to send emails. You need to connect your GoDaddy to publish the domain names for sale. You need to connect your Namecheap so that you can grab the domains and put them on your account, which is very good because you want the domains that you purchase to be on your account. And finally, it's Stripe, because you want to get paid, and AIFlipDomains has single click flipping. So if you have a basic price listed and somebody matches that price, they can buy the domain in one click, and you don't have to do anything at all. So that's also something pretty cool. Now in Domain Coach, they've got a little AI expert which is trained on domain flipping, and you can discuss everything with them, like, hey, something like, okay, let me try to type a message, new conversation, and what do you think about the domain myimages.com? How much do you think I can flip it for? I have it for $. I bought it for $30. And you click send. So the coach is actually looking at the content. Let's see what happens. It's thinking now, analyzing now, researching. So, multi-step process, accessing the internet, typing, processing. Here is a quick, no fluff take on my images: length, readability, 8 letters, brandability, TLD quality, drawbacks, valuation, AVA score 69 by 100, estimated resale range $2,500 to $7,500, occasional upside to 10K. That's what I expected it to do. Investor wholesale buyers would buy it for $1,200. If you got it, you can just hold on to it. And flip strategy, set bin at $5,000 to $6,000 and have a minimal acceptable offer of $3,000. So it kind of figures out your entire strategy for you, which is the good thing about this software. It uses AI to do that. So in portfolio, you can see all the domains that you have. I put in my images, so it's there, parking only. If I flipped it, I can delete it. If I want to look at the domain page, it's not actually my domain, so don't expect it to be on my name. So here you got it. This is the domain flip page. So if the domain belongs to you, the customers who come to your domain name will kind of see a page like this. So you can make an offer, just put in details, and when they submit an offer, you will get the offer. Plus they have a one-click purchase, and they can buy this if you listed it at one-click purchase. So it's a pretty easy software to master, pretty easy software to actually work with. Again, you don't need to use it every day. You need to just come in when you have maybe a salary day, maybe you bought some extra money and you are ready to put away like $50 a month or whatever you think is a good number on investing on good domain names. This software can help you find those domain names, and the payout is, of course, I cannot tell you that out of 100 domains that you book or out of 10 domains that you book, you're going to sell all 10. But if you sell one, it might be able to cover the cost of all 10, maybe even 100, depending on how the domain name is, how desperately the customer, the prospect wants it. So it's all a game of numbers. It's all a game of chance. It's not a certainty, but the AI could get you there faster. So this was the review of AIFlipDomains. If you like it, you got to get it from me, and I will give you 43 reasons why. Here is the reasons. If you go to my website, technicforce.com, you will see that I've got a bunch of excellent products, well maintained, very well built and maintained superbly. All of them are modern, all of them function very, very well. And I can give you a chance to get all of them free when you make a purchase through me. Yes, I earn a commission if you buy this product. Full disclosure, nothing to hide. If you buy this product through me, I will earn a commission, and I want to incentivize you in turn, so you will be able to access my software absolutely free of cost if you purchase this from me. This is under my TechnicForce Rewards program. So I have got this website, beautiful website called technicforcerewards.in. You can go there after making your purchase, and let's see, let's have it load up. It will show you a box where you can put in your email address right here and your password. And if you don't know your password, don't worry about it. Your account is auto created, your password is auto set. All you need to do is click on forget password. If you bought something from me, your account is already here. Retrieve password, it will send you a reset link, and you'll be able to get in. And inside, you'll be able to get any of my products free of cost. Yes, you get TechnicForce credits every time you buy a third-party product from me. Next, there is a little demo that shows you how this works. So I'm not going to spend a lot of time on that.
I have a demo right here that
you can just click on sign needs. And that's it. It's as easy as clicking a button, like just redeem now, and that's it. You get my software. So yep, if you like AIFlipDomains, get it from me and get some more excellent products that can help you grow your business. I've got products in every niche: generative AI and marketing tools, PPC, SEO, email marketing, social media, video marketing, business builders. So yeah, you can grow your business in any direction. By the way, if you're watching this video by now, still, you should join our communities. We've got a community on Cohercia. We've got a community on WhatsApp, on Reddit, on Telegram, on Facebook, on LinkedIn, and also on Teams. sorry, this is not team, this is Discord, on Discord. So join our communities, stay in touch with us so that we can bring you even more offers and opportunities with online marketing. On that note, this is Cyril, and I'll see you later.